Imagine a super cool AI assistant like Siri or Alexa that can read your current mood and respond to you accordingly. Then life would be less stressful, right? Maybe that technology is not so far, as Microsoft has come up with its latest development in AI called Project Rumi. What is Project Rumi? Let's see. The devil is in the details when it comes to how we communicate in our daily lives. Our voice modulation, a slight nod, a small grimace, or a soft sigh can all convey just as much meaning as our words. These are the subtle cues that the potent large language models of today frequently overlook. Microsoft's Project Rumi, which is aware of this constraint, seeks to enhance prompt-based interactions with LLMs by including paralinguistic cues, such as tone, gestures, and facial expressions. Since they add value across many different disciplines and have transformed natural language into an essential productivity tool. LLMs are no strangers to our current digital ecosystem. They do, however, have some weaknesses. The quality and precision of the user's input or prompt, a lexical entry that lacks the depth of human-to-human interaction, determine how effective they are. There is a greater danger of misunderstanding, improper responses, and misinterpretation when paralinguistic cues are disregarded. By creating a multimodal system that uses separately trained vision and audio-based models to analyze sentiment from cognitive and physiological data in real time, Project Rumi aims to close this gap. The system creates paralinguistic tokens that supplement the conventional lexical input to already existing LLMs like GPT-4 by extracting non-verbal information from video and speech inputs in real time. The outcome, a grasp of a user's sentiment and intention that is more subtle than what text-based models could previously provide. Microsoft has made significant investments in AI research over the past few months, including Cosmos 2, which visualizes spatial concepts and includes its own input about them, and LongMem, which gives infinite context length. You can train your AI models using Orca 13b, which is open source. Additionally, there is Phi-1, which is particularly adept at picking up sophisticated Python building blocks. Additionally, Microsoft has funded research in artistic AI, like Deep Wrapper, an AI wrapper who is, you guessed it, artistic. When it comes to AI, the tech behemoth with headquarters in Redmond is in the lead. It recently disclosed a relationship with Meta to create Llama 2, the largest LLM to date, with 70 billion parameters. Additionally, it now appears that Microsoft is funding Project Rumi, an AI model that can include paralinguistic information in its interactions. This is a significant advancement in AI that will help other models get closer to having response times that are comparable to humans. What is Microsoft Project Rumi? Microsoft Project Rumi is a sophisticated language model that can recognize all of your bodily cues, infer your attitude from them, and then respond to you accordingly. This means that if you come off as angry, the model will immediately read your facial expressions and will also listen to your voice tone. And then it will come up with an answer that goes according to your attitude. So what's the breakthrough here? Microsoft has filed a patent for Project Rumi in an effort to solve the input-related constraints of the existing AI models. For instance, when you ask Bing AI to do something, it is unable to observe your facial expressions and hear your voice tone. As a result, its response will sound rather robotic and non-human. How does Microsoft step up the game? Microsoft Project Rumi uses current technological tools to record your facial expressions in order to overcome these constraints. In exchange, Project Rumi picks up on facial emotions and bases its behavior on them. At its core, Project Rumi presents a hopeful future in which AI assistants can recognize and relate to people not just through words, but also through the complex web of cues we use to relate to one another, empathize with one another, and develop understanding. Enhancing LLM's abilities to grasp the unsaid components of language is essential as we go into the AI as a co-pilot era. In the end, the project offers a hopeful outlook for the future in which technology will genuinely comprehend humanity in all of our complexity. Future goals for Project Rumi by Microsoft include enhancing the functionality of current models and adding new signals, such as heart rate variability generated from common video, cognitive, and environmental sensors. These investigations present a picture of a more sensitive, dynamic AI that can comprehend the intricacy of human interaction. Although research on Project Rumi is still in its early phases, its implications are significant. The model will be used to train other AI models because Project Rumi is an LLM, so you'll soon be able to communicate with an AI that mimics a person. How cool does it sound? What do you think? That's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.